Hello and welcome to Barcodes in SAP with the Barcode Writer in Pure Postscript. In this video we'll focus on the 26 barcode ABAP demo page. To produce the ABAP report with the barcodes, we'll follow my blog Printing Barcodes for Free with SAP. I'll put a link to this blog in the video, and we'll be putting the Barcode Writer in Pure Postscript script on the SAP server side to run the report. First step is to download the files so we can create the ABAP report. So if we click on the link here, a zip file which will contain three files which we need. The zbwipp_m.pri is the device type. dbwipp is the barcode writer in Pure Postscript renamed, and the final file is the ABAP code, which will actually generate the 26 barcodes on the one page. Barcode Writer in Pure Postscript offers many more barcodes. As it's on my server, these files are already available to me, so we can move on to the next stage. Stage 2 is to set a SAP parameter, and we use transaction RZ10 to do this. Stage 2 sets the parameter rspo/dev_init/data file to actually pick up the barcode writer in Pure Postscript, and that does have to be, that will need to be set on all application servers required for printing. So running RZ10, create a new parameter and enter exactly what we see in the blog into the parameter. If we save that new instance profile and activate it, we can then move on to the next step. Step 3 is where we copy the BWIPP barcode writer in Pure Postscript file to the actual SAP server. The directory actually needs to be exactly as listed in the blog. As we downloaded the files earlier, we moved the dbwipp onto the SAP server. I'm actually running SAP demo server on VMware on my laptop, so performance is not the best, but for demonstration purposes perfectly fine. So if I just copy the file to the temp directory and move it to the directory as required. So if I go to, I'm using putty tools. The PSCP was a putty tool, and putty actually now to copy to the directory for SAP to pick up the file. If we actually have a look in the directory, just to make sure everything's there, and it's best just to change the ownership of the file to the SID-ADM user on a Linux system. And then moving on to stage 4, we do actually need to restart the SAP application server. Just going to quickly demonstrate this on my SAP server. There's no need to stop SAP entirely, just need to stop any sort of application server that will do the printing. So a quick stop SAP and a quick start SAP here to actually pick up the parameter we set earlier. Final stage, stage 5, is where we're going to import the device type, create the printer, and actually import the ABAP code. So this actually does follow my original QR code solution, so you will need to follow that blog to get some PDF software. You can actually use PDF Creator, but the previous blog used Qt PDF. Right, if we import the device type first, which is a ZBWIPP_M, using transaction SPAD and following the utilities, a key in just the ZBWIPP_M. We do not need the .pri in that entry. Just going to create a local object for the device type, and if I pick it up from my YouTube directory, just wait a short while. There we have the device type imported to SAP. You can go back to transaction SPAD and actually create a SAP printer using the device type. Just call it YouTube, just for demonstration purposes, and the device type here is ZBWIPP_M. Just make sure it's front-end printing, and just obviously show that down. It's the correct device type created. Now, like I say, I'm using PDF Creator. If we save that, as you can see, we now have a YouTube printer ready. And now finally we need to import the ABAP report, which is the text file here. So I'm going to open this text file now and just create the ABAP code from that. If I just give it a title, just call it YouTube SAP BWIPP barcode demo. Just save a local object. It's just my demo server. And like I say, if I open the text file from the downloaded files, just cut and paste the code. Basically a whole bunch of print control functions which actually move the barcode around on the page. And if we activate that, make sure it's activated. Now the final test is to actually run the report. Like I say, I've already got PDF Creator already installed on my desktop. Follow the previous blog. You can also use Qt PDF. SAP LPD kicking in for the front-end printer. Wait a short while on my laptop. It's running a SAP system, so it's a bit slow at the moment, but PDF Creator will give me a prompt. Here it is. That's a YouTube 26 barcode demo, and it's for free. PDF Creator generates the PDF on my desktop, and here we have 26 barcodes on a page with SAP for free.